Last 5 minutes guys, mag-thank you lang po ako ng maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Starting from Sir Soperad, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming. Adventures ADB, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming. Ma'am Alicia Miller of Alaska Trackers, mega love shout out. Thank you so much ma'am for coming. Sir Pugok TV, thank you so much for coming. Mega love shout out. Mami Cha, thank you so much Mami Cha. Mega love shout out sa iyo. Ma'am DC Sinsay, mega love shout out sa iyo Ma'am DC. Thai Garden Blooms, thank you so much Ma'am Thai Garden Blooms. Mega love shout out sa iyo. Sir Zorin Daily Vlog, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming. Sis Chandre, mega love shout out Sis Chandre. Thank you so much for coming. Mega love shout out also to Ma'am Lucy Warren's World. Thank you so much Ma'am Lucy Warren's World for coming. Also mega love shout out Velasco Lini. Thank you so much Ma'am Lenny for coming. Mason the Goat, mega love shout out to you Mason the Goat. Ma'am Queen's Corner, again mega love shout out sa iyo Ma'am Queen's Corner. Thank you so much for coming Ma'am Queen's Corner. Sir Julabs, mega love shout out sa iyo Sir Julabs. And also Ma'am Life Reality Vlog, thank you so much sa pagpasugod mo Bicolana sa Texas. Thank you so much. Kay Ma'am Jane Comedero din pala, thank you so much. Mega love shout out sa iyo Ma'am Jane Comedero. Again Ma'am Real Life Reality Vlog, mega love shout out. Thank you so much sa pagsugod. Pinasugod mo sila ni Ma'am Jess Sanico. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out Ma'am Jess Sanico. Raylin Arnaiz, mega love shout out Ma'am Raylin Arnaiz. Ma'am Ma'am Merlier Rabi 615. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out. Ma'am Ophelia Ramos, mega love shout out Ma'am Ophelia Ramos. Ma'am Rowena David. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming Ma'am Rowena. Ma'am Jennifer San Pedro, mega love shout out Ma'am Jennifer San Pedro. Thank you so much Ma'am Jennifer. Kate the Explorer, thank you so much Ma'am Kate the Explorer for coming. John Cat Lalap, mega love shout out Ma'am John Cat Lalap. Ma'am Jubilin Molino, mega love shout out Ma'am Jubilin Molino. Thank you so much Ma'am Jubilin Molino. Ma'am Jennifer San Pedro, mega love shout out Ma'am Jennifer San Pedro. Thank you so much. Sino pa? Baka may makalimutan ako. Ma'am Jeanette Garcia, mega love shout out Ma'am Jeanette Garcia. Ma'am Kidar Vlog, mega love shout out Ma'am Kidar Vlog. Ma'am Mayet Maylen Janulan, mega love shout out Ma'am Mayet Maylen Janulan. Thank you so much. Ma'am Afra and Mami, mega love shout out Ma'am Afra and Mami. Thank you so much for coming. And Sir Joseph Cervantes, mega love shout out Sir Joseph Cervantes. And also Emily Lel, thank you so much Ma'am Emily for coming. That's the same like Ma'am Life Reality. That's Ma'am Life Realities. Anley, thank you so much Anley. Thank you so much for coming. Mega love shout out. Thank you. And also who else? So hopefully I didn't miss anyone. So Afra, Jennifer, Ma'am Ophelia, Anley, Bicola. Thank you so much Ma'am Bicolana. And then Ma'am Eileen S. Mega love shout out Ma'am Eileen S. Thank you so much for coming Ma'am Eileen. Ma'am GC Selmo, mega love shout out Ma'am GC Selmo. Thank you so much Ma'am GC Selmo. Ma'am Grace Gaudan, thank you so much Ma'am Grace Gaudan. Thank you so much for coming. And anyone else na miss ko? Ayan, Ma'am Jane Comedero, mega love shout out. Mag-in na po ako. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.